Hey, everybody! Welcome, friends, to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can permanently delete your account in Telegram app. Before you start watching this video, dear friends, don't forget to put your likes and also be sure to subscribe to the channel and please write your comments. So, let's go ahead and get started. Please open the Telegram app on your device. After that, go to the settings. Next, you will need to scroll down a little bit. And please open up the Privacy and Security section. Here, scroll down as well. And you'll see the Automatic Deletion of My Account section. So please click on that. And here you can choose, for example, to automatically delete your account after 1 month, 3, onwards. This is in case if you, for example, will no longer be using your Telegram account after some time, and you want to just have your account deleted one day. If you want to delete it right now, click at the bottom Delete Account Now, and then scroll down to the bottom as well. Click Delete My Account. Then click Continue. And you will need to, friends, enter further your phone number as well as your Telegram password. In this way, you will delete your account on the Telegram app. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to write comments, put your likes, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.